I think it's important, first of all, to put yourself in the mindset that everybody in the country felt. We had no idea what was going to happen, so there was a huge amount of anxiety amongst everyone. And I think the sense I picked up was everyone just wanted to try and see, could they do their part? And our part was to keep teaching. UCC is an incredible place to work. It's also an incredibly busy place. We've got over 21,000 students here on a normal weekday. If you take a look at the Boole theatres, teeming with people flowing through the library, people moving in and out of lectures. So we've had to reimagine that entire experience. But I think we've used technology to the best extent that we can to try and provide that community sense. So while we always had our content online, how are we going to do live chat? How are we going to do live broadcasts of lectures? How are we going to do seminars with a collaboration platform? And that's where Teams actually came in. We use Teams integration with Canvas to be able to live stream our lectures towards the end of the year. We use some of the live chat features to be able to support the exams process. Thankfully, one of the positives we saw come out of this was we didn't see a degradation in examination performance. We actually saw improvements in examination performance. Well, maybe one sense of it is UCC is a beautiful physical campus, but what this has taught us is it's more than the physical campus. It's the community, it's the working together. And that's what's come true more than anything, is that the university is that community and it's more than the physical buildings.